No, it hurts.
Dude, I'm not comfortable, right? So just let's just go. The band got together 10 years ago because we're celebrating our 10-year anniversary this year, in 2007. Basically, I used to play in another band called Drift, and we had a small split for a bit of time, but then we got back together. But after the split of Drift, me and Daniel decided to start another band, and basically that's how No Snow No Alps started. The current lineup that we are at the moment, though, has been only around for 2 years, with Mark being the latest addition in the band, and before him Leona. So yeah, we're a 10-year-old band, but with a 2-year-old lineup.
3 words! 3 words that describe No Snow. Okay, this is tough without thinking, beforehand. I would say evolving, because we're always moving into a different direction. Hopefully it's forward. Adventure, yeah, because we're always with new people, with new things, new instruments, new styles as well. Exciting. It's exciting. So 3 words. Adventurous, exciting, and I forgot.
Worst gig to date with No Snow No Alps, I think, was one of my very first gigs in Denmark. We practically played a show, and it was really late at night, and there was literally 3 people. Best gig. I've had a lot of really good gigs with No Snow No Alps, and Beer Fest gigs are really good. When we played Parco Titoni in Italy, it was really good. There are various times which was really good fun.
Well, I look forward to play at the Beer Festival because it's an annual thing now for bands. It's a great showcase for the bands as well. Like it was the first time I saw No Snow Alps playing before I joined in. And it wasn't the first time I saw No Snow Alps playing, but it was that time before Nicky told me to join in. So it's a special memory for me to have, And yeah, we've got loads of new stuff that we're gonna showcase there this year, and it's always fun. It's always fun.
Okay, so this year you can expect some really groovy music, some love songs, some old stuff, maybe a track or 2 of the new album, and yeah, I guess you can expect to hear me play as well, having only been playing with him for the last few months.